Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will be teaching you how to make your own spreadable butter. It's really easy. You can save a lot of money and also incorporate monounsaturated fatty acids into your diet. Let's get started. All that you will need is butter. This is a pound of butter or 2 cups of butter and equal proportion of oil. I'm here using olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Last time I had done it with canola oil. So any oil of your choice is fine, and 1 teaspoon of salt. This is all you will need. So let's get started. I will be putting all these ingredients in the blender. I'm putting the butter into the blender, and here goes 1 cup of olive oil that is here, and now I will be adding another cup of olive oil into the blender. It is this easy. So now once I add all the olive oil and the butter into the blender, I will be running the blender after I add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt is good enough according to me. If you need more, you can taste and add more. And once I finish adding the salt, I'm just going to run the blender. It's that easy and that simple. Once you finish running, it's going to look like this. It will be liquidy, but once you put it in the refrigerator for around 4 or 5 hours, it will come back to the buttery consistency. It's soft and very easily spreadable. Here you go. My spreadable butter is ready. I'm using the same tub to put in my spreadable butter that I made at home. It's really delicious, and you can stretch your dollars and save a lot of money. Now I will be using 2 tubs to add the butter that I made, and for the remaining butter we can use our imagination and season it. That's what I will be doing now. Now you're seeing there's more butter left in the blender. To this I'll be adding the seasoning. Use your imagination. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if you have on hand. Make sure you fry the garlic in oil or butter and then add. Easier way is to just add the garlic powder that you get in the store. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. This is no math, it's all approximation. Here I have chives. You don't have to do this. This is my garden chives that I had dried. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of that as well. Along with this, I will be adding some black pepper powder. You can crush it fresh, or you can just use the already powdered black pepper as well. Along with this, if you are like me, like spice, you can add chili flakes. This is completely optional. I'm just adding a little bit for a kick. And once we add all this into the blender, just run it on low for another second, and then it will be done. Here you go. My garlic butter with herbs is ready. Believe me, you spread it on bread after toasting it, or toast it after you spread the butter. It gives amazing results of delicious garlic toast, the one that you can buy in the store. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye now.